Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir, and today we will be continuing our second chapter of 8th standard, parallel lines and transversal. So students, yesterday I have discussed with you about the properties of two parallel lines and its transversal. I hope you understood. I have explained you with the several colors and I hope that you have done it. Before starting 2.2, let me take you yesterday. It means I will start today's session with the yesterday's recall. Let's recall the yesterday's points. So students, today we will recall yesterday's points. These two lines are parallel to each other. Suppose line M and line N. These two lines are parallel to each other and this line L is its transversal. Okay, and this transversal line L is a transversal intersecting these two parallel lines at two distinct points. And how many angles can be formed by two parallel lines and one transversal? 8 angles. So can you see over here, I have used again today several different colors to make you understand the revision. See, angle Q will be equals to angle X. What it is? It will be your corresponding. Like this, angle S and angle Z also will be your corresponding angles. Can you see over here in between, interior means under, angle R will be angle R and angle X are interior angles, and the sum of these two angles, angle R plus angle X will be is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so this is called interior angles on the same side. एक ही साइड के इंटीरियर एंगल्स whose sum will be 180 degree. Okay, can you see this red mark? Exterior alternate angles means angle Q and angle Z are exterior alternate angles. Like that, angle P and angle Y is also exterior alternate angle. Can you see over here this red mark? Angle S and angle X. So these are interior alternate angles. See, S after R after X. So it is alternate. One after not two, one after three, and two after not three, two after four. This is called alternate. So angle S and angle X will be interior alternate angles. Today practice set 2.2, you will be coming with the new angle, that is vertically opposite angles. See, vertically opposite angles will be equal to each other. So angle P opposite to angle R. So this is vertically opposite angles and they will be congruent. Angle S will be equal to angle Q because it is vertically opposite angle. Angle W will be equals to angle Y because it is vertically opposite angle. Angle Z will be equal to angle X because it is vertically opposite angle. So today in this practice set 2.2, this property we will be utilizing here. Can you see 2x and here is nothing. So this is 2x, so this is also will be 2x because it is vertically opposite angle. Is it clear? So students, now we will start practice set 2.2. First question number 1 is choose the correct alternative. Is it clear? So there are 4 options. One option is correct. We have to find x. You have to see your textbook because I have written the question in short and you will check your textbook while writing the answer. What is given over here? These two things are given. Where it is given? Inside these two parallel lines. It is what? It is none other than it is interior angles. 3x and x are interior angles. So what will be the sum of these two angles? Should be 180. So how to solve it? We will solve 3x plus x is equals to 180 degree. And what statement I should write over here? Why I have written 180 here? Because they are interior angles of the same side, which is supplementary. Is it clear? So 3x, therefore 3x plus x, 3x और 1x कितना हो जाएगा? 4x is equals to 180 degree. Is it clear? Now can we see 4x is having which relation over here? 4 and x is having multiplication. 4 और x के बीच में क्या है? There is no sign. It means it is a multiplication. So 4x is having multiplication. So number will go to the number. X will be here and it will be 180 upon 4. You have to read the 4 times table. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. How much remain? 2. So it is 20. So you said 4 fives are 20. So what is the answer came? X is equals to 45 degree. Where it is? A, B, C. Yes, what is your answer? C, that is 45 degree. The answer X is equals to 45 degree. I hope you understood over here. These two are interior angles and sum of these interior angles should be 180 degree. Now pay attention to this question number 2, students. This question number 2, and here we will be utilizing our new property, that is vertically opposite angle. Please pay attention over here. Can you see over here 4x? Where it is its second partner? Second partner is not here, it is absent. So I will consider it any alphabet like A. Suppose I will consider it A, but I don't know A value is how much. So here we had learned here that vertically opposite angles are congruent to each other. Now can I say this is 2x and A value is also will be this also 2x? Yes or no? Because these two are vertically opposite angles. Is it clear? So if this is 2x, its vertically opposite angle also will be of 2x. So what I have to write over there? Please pay attention. I will write 4x plus A is equals to 180 degree. Why I will write? Because they both are the interior angles. Interior angles. See, so I have to write over here interior angles on the same side. Is it clear? Interior angles on the same side. The sum of these two angles should be 180 degree. But we know here that A is equals to 2x. Why? Because of vertically opposite angles are congruent. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. So what I will write over here at the place of A, I will write 2x. So therefore 4x plus 2x is equals to 180 degree. Is it clear? Now this addition of 4x and 2x will be 6x is equals to 180 degree. Now these two terms are having which sign in between? Multiplication. So there is no plus, there is no subtraction. So these two numbers are having multiplication in between. So this 6 will go there, it will divide. So x is equals to 180 upon 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. This 0 remains. So 6 zeros are 0. Therefore x value came 30 degree. It is there in the option. You have to write the answer at last. That is the answer is option. Which option is there? 30 degree. Yes, the D option is of 30 degree. So you will write answer D is of 30 degree, which is your answer. I hope you understood here vertically opposite angle. First I will consider it any alphabet and that alphabet will be equals to its vertically opposite angle. And then at the place of A that I will put over there 2x. So 4x plus 2x 6x. 6 will go there. It will divide 180. Answer will come x is equals to 30 degree. So answer is D, 30 degree. Is it clear? So dear students, now we will see practice set 2.2, question number 2 and question number 3. For solving these two questions, you should remember the properties of two parallel lines and its transversal as we have discussed earlier. So please pay attention over here. Practice set 2.2, question number 2, line P parallel line Q. Okay, I have written questions in short. Question number 2 also and question number 3 also I have written in short because I have less space. You please check your textbook while reading it. Okay, so line P parallel to line Q and line T and line S are transversal. As we can see, line P, line Q are two parallel lines, and these line P and line S two transversals. We have to find angle X and angle Y. Is it clear? So how to write solution? So students, please look at the figure very carefully. I have used color markers to make you clear the properties of two parallel lines. Now see, line P parallel to line Q. Line P and line Q are two lines which are parallel to each other, and line T is a transversal. Now you have to focus here only. Now you have to focus here only. Don't go there. Focus here only. See, so I have written over here angle, major angle A is equals to 40 degree. Why? Remember the property, first property only we have discussed. It is corresponding angle. So major angle A will be of 40 degree. It is corresponding angles when these P and Q are parallel and this T is a transversal. Please focus. Now can you see over here that major angle X and major angle A is equals to 180. This is new form to you. Can you see the two angles are alongside, adjacent, and one line is in between? Can you see over there? These two lines are alongside these two angles. So this and this angle will be considered as angles in a linear pair. दो एंगल एक ही लाइन में, एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर, एक लाइन पर ये दो एंगल्स है. सो एडिशन ऑफ दिस टू एंगल्स शुड बी इक्वल टू 180. सो मेजर एंगल x प्लस मेजर एंगल a, ये दो एंगल्स जो क्या है, एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर, एक ही लाइन पे दो एंगल्स है. इज इट क्लियर? सो मेजर एंगल x, मेजर एंगल a we know 40. So this 40 will go on right hand side. So this plus 40 will be minus 40. 180 minus 40. So major angle x will be 140 degree. So you got major angle x is 140. Here the new property came, that is angles in a linear pair. Can you see? Whenever this kind of angles will form, you will use angles in a linear pair. Like if this is 40, so this will be how much? Tell me. If this is, see, if this is 140, so this will be 40. Like this is 40, so this will be 140. So these two angles will be considered as angles in a linear pair. Is it clear? Now move next question. Can you see here directly I have tick mark something? If this angle is 70 degree, so major angle B also will be 70 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So major angle B will be equals to 70 degree, vertically opposite angles. But now you are focusing on this transversal. So you mention line P parallel to line Q, line P parallel to line Q, and line S is the transversal. Now you will focus here only. यहाँ का काम हो गया. Now I will focus here. Here major angle B we already found, that is 70 degree. Now can we see here these two angles are interior angles. ये दो angles, angle Y and angle B are interior angles of this transversal. Yes. So major angle Y plus major angle B is equals to 180 degree. Interior angles of the same side, on the same side. So major angle B 70 degree we came to know by vertically opposite angle. So major angle Y is equals to 180 minus 70. So if this B is of 70 degree, Y will be of 110 degree. So we came to know both the answers. Major angle X is equals to 140 degree and major angle Y is equals to 110 degree. Is it clear? One time you have to focus on this transversal and second time you have to focus on this transversal. I hope you understood. Now same question also here. Question number 3. I have written the question in short. Please you check your textbook while reading it. So students, line P parallel to line Q and line L also parallel to line M, means both the lines, there are 4 lines. So 2 lines are parallel to each other. These 2 lines are parallel to each other. Find majors, angle A, angle B and angle C. We have to find 3 angles. Okay. So we have to take one transversal. Keep in your mind, whenever this kind of 2 transversals will come, we have to focus on one transversal first, then second transversals. Okay. So look at here. Now which thing we can find easily? Okay, see I have tick mark over here. So first we will see line P is parallel to line Q. See line P parallel to line Q, and this line L is a transversal. While solving geometry, you can turn your textbook as per your direction. You can change the position of your textbook and you can see. Okay, so I will be here. Suppose I will come here. So these two lines are parallel. P and Q are parallel, and this line is a transversal. L is a transversal. Can I see there's this third and this one, this AT and this D are corresponding angles. AT and D. Here and here it will be A. I can say here if this is 80, this will be 100. Why? Angles on the linear angles in a linear pair, I can say. So A will be of also corresponding to 100. Yes or no? You can show anyhow. So please understand, these two PQ lines are parallel to each other and this L is transversal. So 80 degree is equals to D. Why? Because of corresponding angles. Okay. Now we are using this. Can I find now A? Yes. These two 80 and A is an interior angle. Yes. See, I have tick mark with the blue marker 80 degree and A. These two are inside the line P and Q. So they are considered as the interior angles. So 80 degree plus angle A is equals to 180. So this 80 degree will come here on right hand side and it will be minus 80. So therefore angle A will be 100 degree. First answer we got it. Now leave this. Now you have to take the another transversal. So line L parallel to line M. See, line L is parallel to line M. And line Q is a transversal and this is a transversal. Can you see these two red marks? So this is what? Alternate exterior angle. Okay, exterior alternate angle. So D is equals to B. Yes. And D you already found over here. D kitna hai? 80 degree hai. So if you will take Q as a transversal, if you will take this as a transversal, angle major angle D is equals to major angle B. So that is angle B congruent to angle D, exterior alternate angle. So angle B will be of 80 degree. तो ये 80 का है तो ये भी 80 का होगा. Like this here also. If this is 80, angle C also will be of 80. When you will take this line L and line M will be parallel to each other and line P is a transversal. Now you will focus here. If this is 80 degree, this also will be 80 degree. Why? Exterior alternate angles. So major angle A is equals to 100 degree. Why? Because interior angle था 80 degree है, दूसरा 100 होगा. Major angle B. So B and D are exterior angle. D automatically corresponding हो गया 80 से, तो D अगर 80 है तो B भी 80 होगा because they are exterior alternate angle. Now angle C also same. When this P will be transversal, so this 80 and this C will be exterior alternate angle. I hope you understood my presentation and explanation. I hope that you will write neat and clean in your notebooks and have a nice day. Thank you so much.